have to stop. I'm gonna have to stop. I'm gonna have to stop. I'm not gonna have to stop. Woohoo! It's kind of wet still over here. It rained last night. Just felt like driving past my dream property here. Right there. Yep, someday when I win the lottery, I'm gonna buy that. Or when you guys make me big on YouTube. I have 90 today? Why am I parking on this side? Because I'm in my motorcycle, and I don't park here when I'm on my motorcycle. Because we thought it would be fun to... That's why. Just thought it'd be fun, you know, to drive around the back side of the building. Why not? Whee! Look at that squirrel. Hoppity hoppity hop hop hop. Move, squirrel. Parallel parking. Pull up next to the vehicle, then turn your wheel or handlebars, then turn them the other way like a glove. Yes, I can do that with a car also. It's basic human skill. That was an extremely boring ride. Sorry about that. Maybe next time.
What up?
Morning.
Hello.
Hello. Pull that mic out a little bit. I feel like it's been a little muffled lately. We'll see. It's always hard to know because I edit, you know, I've got lots of them recorded, and by the time I go and check on it and edit it, it's been like, you know, 10 videos later. What was up with that? Oh, I want that, I want that, I want that, I want that! Had rust. All the ones I keep finding have rust. Where'd she go? There she is. Lydia wanted to race me, so we'll race her. It is warm out. 86. Excuse me. Sorry. Like to go fast and make... Whoa! Don't pull out there. Whoopsies. I mean, I wasn't, but I was initiating the throttle. Clutch was still in. Let's ride in the shade. It's 86 degrees. No. 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 High of 90. Comes a car, don't care. See you later. What is that? What is that? It's a bicycle and a thingamajigger. That's awesome. It's a Beller.bike. Better.bike? Dude, he even has like a screen in there. Better.bike. Let's look that up. Was it electric? Was he even pedaling? You know, I kind of miss going this way over here. The windy road. Now that we can go straight. I miss you, Southwest Cortina Drive or Southeast Cortina Drive. Is that what Microsoft calls it? I think it's Cortana. So if you're watching this video and you use Microsoft, which no one does, I mean the voice thing. I'm thinking phone. I guess maybe people do on their desktop, but does anyone even have a Windows phone anymore? Anyway, if I was like, Cortana, search YouTube for M109R. I thought I could smell fertilizer. True Green up there. Pretty sure I can smell that. Uh-oh. Watch it. Be a good boy. Gotta mess with the boss. Gotta mess with the boss. That's not a song, I just made it up. Watch out for the sand right here and the wire, whatever that is. At least I didn't botch it like last time. Wonder if it's supposed to rain. Sure is humid. 91 degrees. That board was sticking through the back window all the way up into the front. I've seen worse. Oh! What is this? Let's check it out. It's a BMW i3. It's like a smarty car. Is that like electric? Or what is it? Oh no. I kind of cool, but I don't like the white and blue. Like, I'd rather have black and blue, you know what I mean? Oh, they got a pretty new parking lot. Oh, so over here is an I'm gonna pull through just for fun, but I want to stop sometime and check this out. There's an M109R right here, which you don't see very often. Pretty sure it's an M109R. Could be one of the other models, but I'm not sure. Hopefully I can catch him someday and have him show me what's up. Oh, totally spun it in second right there. Totally did. Now what we need is a camera under the seat. Could we put the GoPro 3 somewhere down there? Maybe by the license plate? Oh, that would be so sweet. Your grill's on fire! Doing something. Is it a smoker? I don't know anything about grills, smoker. It looks like a smoker, doesn't it? It's not just a regular old grill. This weather is pretty good for 90. Woo! Poppity pop pop poppity popcorn. See how I did that? A little magic happened right there. Rev the engine, and as you pull your hand off, you wave. I want to know why that light is stuck on. Anybody know? One light. One is the loneliest number that you'll ever see, or something like that. For some reason, my brain thinks in songs. Now, you may wonder why there's a pile of hay on the floor. Well, that's because we have a chinchilla. That's right. We have a tiny little chinchilla. His name is Pepe. Well, his name used to be Penelope until we found out it was a boy. So now his name's Pepe. Learn something new every day, huh? I'll take that. That can stay right there. That can go off. Let's open this up so I can breathe and not die. Don't burn your finger. Let's see what's going on here.
Guys, does everybody have a nice car? Yes.
What is going on in here? Well, that's one way to treat a GoPro. Just chuck it on the ground, see what happens. Ah. They don't make them like they used to. GoPro 4, no problem. Oh, it's already getting dark. Hoping to avoid that. When you get that clutch adjusted, that wouldn't happen. It's starting to fog up in here. It's nice and humid. What do you guys do that live in places that are like super humid? I mean, like, don't your helmets fog up really bad? I mean, I just came from air conditioning. I came from like 70 air conditioning to 82 but humid outdoors at night. Kind of expected that it would fog up, but